Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set up alarm clock on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to open clock app and here click on this plus. Now you are able to select the hour that you want for this alarm, and also you can change some features like you can set alarm name over here. Also you can change the ringtone for this alarm, you can enable or disable vibrations, and also set snooze over here. I recommend you to use custom mode because you can select the days that you want to enable this alarm. So if you want to every day, just simply select all days over here. But if you, for example, want only in the Mondays, you can simply select only Monday over here, or whatever day that you want. So basically you can do it from here, and when it's done, just simply click done in the top right corner, and now as you can see I have this alarm enabled. If you want to delete alarms from here, just simply hold on it and click delete over here on the bottom. So that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.